Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Home Fitness Challenge channel, my YouTube. Get ready to sculpt, sweat, and shine. In just 14 days, you'll boost your energy, melt stubborn fat, and fall in love with your reflection. No gym pressure, no crash diets, just fun, effective moves that fit your vibe. Let's unlock your strongest, most confident self because you deserve to feel unstoppable. The first 3 days are all about waking up your metabolism, gently, not aggressively. Think of it as flipping on your body's internal switch, one habit at a time. Start simple, a brisk 20-minute morning walk, a few minutes of stretching, or swapping out sugar in your coffee. These tiny adjustments send powerful signals to your body that change is coming. Your metabolism isn't lazy. It's just waiting for consistency to remind it how to burn energy efficiently again. Don't obsess over calorie numbers or scales right now. Your job is to move and fuel with intention. Every time you choose real food, hydrate properly, or take the stairs instead of scrolling, your system gets sharper. Fat burn begins not with intensity, but with activation. This is your ignition phase. Steady, patient, and smart. Don't rush the process. Just light the fire and keep it burning. The transformation has already started. Now that your body's starting to wake up, it's time to move, but not to destroy yourself. Forget the idea that sweating more means doing better. What truly transforms your body is rhythm, not punishment. Focus on movements that feel controlled and intentional. Squats, lunges, planks, slow mountain climbers. Keep your breathing steady and your form clean. These are the small details that make the biggest difference. When you move with awareness, your muscles activate efficiently, your hormones stay balanced, and your body learns to burn fat without stress. It's not about how fast you go. It's about how connected you stay while you move. Energy flows best when your mind and body are working together, not fighting each other. So stay calm, stay present, and let every repetition be an act of self-respect. You don't need chaos to change your body. You need consistency, control, and flow. Move smart, and your body will follow. By now, your body is starting to crave better fuel, and that's where real progress begins. Food isn't the enemy. It's information your body uses to perform, recover, and burn fat efficiently. Think of every meal as an opportunity to nourish, not restrict. Choose clean, colorful foods that bring energy instead of heaviness. Fresh vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and enough water to keep everything flowing. You don't need to starve to lose fat. You need to eat with purpose. Try the simple 3 degrees Celsius rule. Clean choices, colorful plates, and controlled portions. That's your balance point. When you eat this way, you'll notice more stable energy, clearer focus, and fewer cravings because your metabolism finally trusts you. The more consistent you are, the more your body responds. Remember, nutrition isn't about perfection. It's about direction. Every mindful bite is a message of self-respect. Feed your goals, not your habits, and your results will follow naturally. After pushing your body and feeding it right, now comes the phase most people overlook, recovery. This is where real transformation happens. Your body doesn't grow stronger during workouts. It grows stronger when you rest, repair, and reset. Sleep isn't just downtime. It's a recalibration process where your hormones, muscles, and metabolism synchronize. When you cut corn, eyes on recovery, you interrupt that process and slow your progress. So make it intentional, stretch before bed, hydrate well, and power down your mind before sleep. Even a few deep breaths can lower cortisol and signal your body to recharge. Rest days aren't weakness, they're strategy. You're teaching your system how to sustain energy instead of burning out. Balance your training days with moments of stillness and self-care because that's what builds longevity. Recovery isn't optional, it's essential. Sleep deeply, stretch fully, and give your body the respect it deserves. Repair is the real growth. As your body adapts and your routine becomes familiar, it's time to shift the focus inward, to your mind. The truth is, fat loss isn't just physical. It's deeply connected to your mental state. Stress, worry, and overthinking can quietly block progress by raising cortisol and disrupting balance. So, your next challenge is mastering calm. Start your mornings with a few minutes of slow breathing, stretch with awareness, or walk without music, just you and your thoughts. These simple moments create mental space and teach your body safety, which is essential for real transformation. Your mind relaxes, your metabolism aligns, your energy steadies, and your confidence expands. This isn't about meditation perfection. It's about presence. Every time you slow down, you're strengthening control over your internal state. The mind trains the body. The body trains the mind. When they move together, change becomes effortless. Stillness isn't the pause, it's the power. Now you've reached the final stretch, the phase where everything comes together. These last 2 days aren't about pushing harder, they're about integrating everything you've learned. Movement, nutrition, rest, and mindset now work as one complete system. This is where discipline turns into rhythm. Notice how your body feels stronger, your energy steadier, your choices more natural. You've built a flow, one that doesn't rely on motivation but on alignment. Keep your workouts focused and fluid, fuel your body with the same intention, and carry that calm awareness into everything you do. This journey was never about a number on a scale. It's about the habits that now define you. Reflect on how far you've come, not just in your body, but in how you show up for yourself every day. You've reprogrammed more. And then muscle. You've rewritten your lifestyle. The challenge ends here, but your new standard begins now. Stay consistent, stay limitless.